experiment number 6 Excel. Practical application of Excel for interactive data analysis and visualization. So here our aim is to perform end-to-end data analytics on a selected data set and create an interactive Excel dashboard to clearly and effectively present the findings, and utilizing a feature such as slicer, pivot table, and interactive charts, KPIs, and conditional formatting. An objective of this is here. This overview, the region, the sales market, then the profit, then the quantity, the category, and the same thing. So next is what are the performance you are going to do is like data set selection, data cleaning and preparation, data analysis, interactive dashboard features, then deliverable. In dataset selection, identify and select a publicly available open source dataset according to your choice. Then finance or customer analytics. Then data should be contain at least 100 to 200, 5 to 8 columns, numerical and categorical data. Then data cleaning and preparation is like removing duplicates and handle missing or inconsistent data. Then ensure that the numerical and data fields are formatted correctly. Then data analysis like performing the disparative analysis to compute key merits and such as total, average, minimum, maximum, and growth trends. Then use the pivot tables, pivot charts, and formulas like sum f, count f, average f, etc. Identify top performing products, regions, then or categories. Then highlight areas needing an improvement. Then interactive dashboard features like include slices for a categorical filtering, include timeline filters for data-based analysis, then show the key merits of KPIs, then use the buttons or hyperlinks to navigate them. Everything we are used here. Then deliverable like submit a clean data set and provide the interactive Excel data sheet. Then include a brief report, features implemented in the dashboard, and decision that could be made based on it. And then we want to do the all these things here. Then starting is like this is the data. Then here it is the row label, sum of sales and the sum of profits. Then here to be that go to overview, go to region, these all things. Then row of labels, sum of labels. Then again the row of labels, everything is here. Then at last here that go to overview. These all things now I can explain. So the project presents an interactive sales dashboard developed in a Microsoft Excel to perform complete data analysis and visualization of sales dataset. The main goal was to convert the raw and unstructured data into a valuable business insights that through interactive elements like slicers, timelines, and dynamic charts. The dataset used contained around 200 records with fields such as order ID, order data, region, product quantity, sales, and profit, covering both numerical and categorical data for analysis. Then the process began with the data cleaning and the preparation, where the duplicates were removed, missing valuables were handled, and incorrect data types were fixed. Numerical fields like sales and profit were formatted as a currency, while order data was converted into a proper data format. The data was then converted into a structured Excel table named data for easier reference and consistency in formulas. In data analysis, face several key performance indicators like were computed including a total sales, total profit, and average profit margin. These were calculated using Excel functions such as sum, average, and ratio based formulas. To visualize the data, multiple pivot table and pivot charts were created, including bar, line, pie, and combo charts. These charts highlight performance trends across products, region, and time periods. Then the dashboard includes interactive features like slices for the region, product, salesperson, and timeline for date-based filtering. Then conditional formatting. Then the conditional formatting also highlighted to the top performing. The analysis revealed. Here I did as a report where you can see this. Everything the dashboard uses is a region and view, the category, everything. And the row labels. Then these all things. And row labels. Overview of it and everything. So, and this is the data. And now the first thing is foundation of our raw data. First, let's look at where we started. If we navigate to the data full sheet, we see our source data, a log of every single sales order. This dataset contains over 200 individual transactions. Here 200 individual transactions with the key information for each one. Order ID and date is to track when a sales occurred. Region is which geographical area, north, south, east, west the sale came from. And the product category and subcategory, what was sold for the broad category down to the specific item. Salesperson who made the sale, quantity list, unit price, sales and profit, the core financial metrics that tell us about the volume and profitability. Before any analysis, this data was cleaned and prepared. This crucial step involved checking for removing duplicates, ensuring the data were formed correctly, and handling any missing values. The data was converted into an Excel table, which makes it dynamic and easy to reference in our formulas and analysis. Second is like the dashboard, three interactive views. View 1 is the overview, the big picture. Then the view 2 is the region view, like east region, south and east regions, the quantity, and these all things. Sorry. Here is the overview of it. Then the third overview will be this is arguably the most actionable view for strategic planning. It tells us not just what happening but why. The top section confirms the weak performance of the furniture category that we identified in the overview. Then how technically implement means you might be wondering how was this all built. The dashboard is powered by several key features. Pivot table, these are the engines behind the scenes. They instantly summarize thousands of rows data from the data sheet into the clean. Then at last conclusion is double down on successes, invest more in the north region and the technology category as they are our market leaders. Then the office supplies category, especially the binders, is highly profitable and should be promoted and managed carefully. And this dashboard empowers any business users to move from asking what happened to understanding what did it happen. It's ultimately what should we do next, like all things. That's all about it.